Join me as I dive deep into the chaos and mysteries surrounding CEP and try to figure out what's really going on. CEP, or Certified Enrollment Professional, plays a huge role in the world of education and professional development. It's a credential that signifies expertise in enrollment management, a critical aspect of educational institutions. If you're involved in education, or even if you're just curious about the behind-the-scenes of how schools and universities operate, understanding what's happening with CEP can offer valuable insights. The world of CEP isn't without its challenges. One of the main controversies currently is the confusion around the certification process. Many are questioning whether the current process is truly reflective of an individual's ability to manage enrollments effectively. There are also concerns about accessibility and whether the barriers to obtaining certification are fair. Another challenge facing CEP is the lack of clarity on its benefits. Some argue that having a CEP certification can significantly boost one's career in education, while others question if it's worth the investment of time and resources. This uncertainty can make it difficult for professionals to decide if pursuing CEP is right for them. The relevance of CEP in today's educational landscape is also a topic of debate. With changing dynamics in education, some wonder if CEP still holds the same value it once did. There are discussions about whether the certification needs to evolve to remain relevant. The cost of obtaining and maintaining CEP certification is another point of contention. For many professionals, especially those just starting out in their careers, the financial aspect can be a significant deterrent. Recently, there's been a lot of discussion around the need for more transparency in the CEP certification process. Many are calling for clearer guidelines on what the certification entails and how it's achieved. There have been instances where professionals have felt misled by the process, leading to a growing distrust. From an expert's perspective, the key to moving forward is ensuring that CEP remains a credible and valuable credential. This involves not just updating the certification process but also making it more accessible and clear in its benefits. A recent decision by the governing body to review and potentially revise the CEP certification process has been a significant development. This move could address some of the current challenges and help restore faith in the credential. The changes could involve making the certification process more flexible and aligned with the current needs of the education sector. There's also talk of providing more support for those pursuing certification, especially in terms of financial assistance or preparatory resources. The news of potential changes has been met with a mix of reactions. Some are cautiously optimistic, hoping that the revisions will indeed make CEP more relevant and valuable. Others are skeptical, wondering if these changes will be enough to address the deep-seated issues. So, what's the takeaway from all this? The situation with CEP is complex, with valid arguments on multiple sides. Staying informed about these developments is crucial, especially if you're involved in education or considering a career path that might involve CEP. If you've got thoughts on CEP or have experiences with the certification process, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below. Also, if you're interested in more insights into education and professional development, check out another video on my channel where we explore related topics in depth.